Okay, a few of you got the answer right. This was basil. And besides just liking basil, I used it for a specific reason. First, I took these little plugs from the Aerogarden, soaked them in water. Just a couple minutes. And basil forms a sticky coating when it gets wet. Just like chia. That's why they had the chia pets. So I just sprinkled some basil seeds on a plate and dipped the wet plug in it, rolled it around, made sure there were seeds all over it, even the top. If you need to, you can just sprinkle some on. You can even use the wet basil seeds if you want. Then I just put them in the container that I drilled some holes in. The next time I would have put these down a little further. You just want to make sure they stay damp. If you notice them drying out, spritz them with a little spray bottle. I had these inside under my grow lights. And when they got to about this size, I took them outside to get a little sun. This was just a fun experiment. I'm testing these plugs because I'm using them in another project. Stick around for that.